Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. When they work alone, B needs 25% more time to finish a job than A does. Okay. So here a comparison is involved. So let's say A takes 100x days to finish a job. Okay. Then B needs 25% more. So B will need 125x days to finish the job. Okay. Now they too finish the job in 13 days in the following manner. A works alone till half the job is done, and then A and B together works for 4 days, and finally B works alone to complete the remaining 5% of the job. So in how many days can B alone finish the entire job? Okay. So if we get the value of X, we would be able to tell in how many days B will finish the job. Okay. So it is given that they too finish the job in 13 days. Okay. And based on a certain pattern. So we need to break up this 13 to find out, we need to write this 13 in terms of X to get the value of X. So 13 days total that they are taking together to finish the job. So first part is A works alone till half the job is done. Okay. So if A is doing complete job in 100x days, then half work he will be able to do in 50x days. Right. So this 13 we are trying to break. So A alone completed 50% of the work. So 50x days A has put. Then A and B together worked for 4 days. So second part is easy. It's already given in days. So here all units is days here for every component. And third component, finally, B works alone to complete the remaining 5% of the job. Okay. So now how many days B is putting? If we able to put this value here, then we'll get the value of X. Okay. So what is this? Question mark. So this is 5% of B's effort. Okay. So B total takes 125x days to complete 100% of the job. Then to complete 5% of the job, how much time B will take? So this is like B 5 by 100 of 125x. Okay. So this is 25 by 4x. Okay. So for B, 5% is 25 by 4x days. Okay. So this we can put here. So what our equation will be? Then this 4 we can move this side, so it will be 9. And 50x plus 25 by 4x. So we will have 9 equals to 225x by 4. Okay. So from here we can get the value of X as 36 by 225. So now that we have got the value of X, it's easy for us to identify how much time B will take. So B is going to take 125x to complete the job alone. Okay. So 125x will be 125 into 36 by 225. Right, so 25 5 ja 125 and 25 9 ja 9 4, so 20. Okay, so for B, B will take 20 days alone to finish the job. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.